Tahalia's half day today. I gave her some math problems to solve. Now she's checking the answer there from Google. Okay. Don't cheat, anak, ha? Okay, very good. You want some more banana? Math, I gave Tahalia some spelling to write. Okay. This one is encyclopedia, correct. Pediatrician, this is wrong. Okay, pediatrician, the doctor for babies. It's spelled P-E, put on top.
T-I-A-N.
Yeah, that is pediatrician, okay? So you got one mistake. Overpass, medicines, refrigerator, ocean, mischievous. This one is M-I-S-C-H-I-E-V-O-U-S.
Tama?
Mischievous. This is wrong. Two wrongs. Numerals. No. N-U, right here.
N-U.
N-U-M-E, N-U.
N-U.
Okay, that one is numerals. This is wrong.
Numeral.
Okay, commander, regional, subtraction. Numerous, remove the E. E-W, remove the E-W. It should be N. Okay, that's numerous. Wonderful. Casserole, this should be E, not L. Casserole, this should be E.
Ah,
Next, accident, singular, plural, calculation, department, awful, awesome should be, there should be E. A-W-E. Ay, nakalimutan. Oh, okay, denominator, Philippines. Delicious, there should be I. C-I-O-U-S.
Papa, isa
Okay, later again, later. Very good. You rest first, rest. Okay, I'll give it again. Spelling, read to me.
Autumn, beautiful.
Autumn, beautifully. Cooperation, cooperative. Excellent. There should be C. E-X-Z. E-X-C. E.
Ah, okay.
Put difficult, familiar, disastrous. Disastrous, remove the E. Disastrous. Okay? Faucet. Grateful. No. G-R-A-T-E. G-R-A-T-E. Grateful.
Great.
G-R-A-T-E. This one, oh. This should be grateful.
Grateful.
Then heroes. Why, where's the S? Natanggal ko pa lang. Okay. Immediate. I-M-M-E. Immediate.
Immediate.
Immediate. Classic,
eraser.
married, 7th, 6th, 5th. Notice, meet, 10th, cleaner, lesser students. Notice, vocabularies, greater. What's it? Require. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E.
Q.
Remove open eh. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E.
I know that now.
Okay. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There should be E between I and E. Okay?
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Okay. Done. Very good. You got 3 mistakes. Very good, anak. Okay. Good job. Sige, mag-ano ka na, mag-Roblox ka na.
Okay lang